Have you ever turned on your car's air conditioning only to be overcome by a musty odor that reminds you of your old gym attire? Given everything that can go wrong with the car's air conditioning system, this issue is not uncommon. Fortunately, if you know how to fix it, you won't have to put up with this musty smell from the car air conditioner for very long. The first step in fixing the issue is to identify the source of the odor. We go over some of the most common issues you may run into. The greatest solutions will be found after that list, giving you peace of mind once more. Dirty or old cabin air filter. Although it may not receive as much attention as the engine air filter, the cabin air filter serves a crucial function. Dirt and pollutants that would otherwise circulate throughout the cabin are captured by this air filter. Your cabin stays a better place for your respiratory system because the filter captures all of the tiny particles, which is especially beneficial if you have asthma or other respiratory issues. The air filter may clog, though, if you neglect to replace it on the suggested schedule. The AC now circulates these dangerous particles throughout the cabin due to the dirt that is sitting on the filter, which causes breathing difficulties and a musty odor. Moldy evaporator coil or fins. All of this condensation can also affect the different components of the air conditioning system. Depending on how the system is designed, water may become trapped on important parts that are never cleaned. The fins and evaporator coil are two components that can occasionally get mold. The purpose of the evaporator is to eliminate heat and moisture. Furthermore, damage to the condenser fins may result in more moisture being trapped. In any case, mold begins to grow and the cabin begins to smell bad. Dead organic material, particularly in cold weather. Your car is a haven for animals from all over the world. Animals may climb inside your car's systems in an attempt to find cover from the weather. The animal may perish if you start the car before you are aware that they have moved in. All dead animals eventually begin to smell. You will eventually begin to smell the problem coming from your car's air conditioning vents. Excessive condensation. The purpose of the car air conditioning system is to remove water from the car. It is intended for all accumulated condensation to flow to the drain beneath the vehicle. For this reason, when the air conditioner is running, you may notice water leaking beneath the car. These drains are prone to clogging, though. Condensation accumulates in the system, and mold may develop as a result. Mold in vents. There are numerous ducts and hoses in the vehicle's ventilation system. Condensation starts to accumulate in this system. The cabin's vents are the final destination for the air as it passes through the system. A large portion of the condensation lies here. Mold can grow in automobile vents because most people don't take the time to thoroughly clean them. The vents can produce bacteria that can make you ill, in addition to mold. Examine those vents to see what's growing if you detect a musty odor. How to get rid of musty smell from car AC. You can quickly go through this list we've put together if you want to get rid of musty smells in your car. While some of these tasks must be completed only when there is an issue, many of them should be completed on a regular basis. Clean air inlet and drain from leaves and dust. The air conditioner uses the air inlet holes located at the bottom of the windshield. Condensation happens when debris and leaves block these holes. The leaves and dust are easily removed by wiping them off. Additionally, they ought to come off each time the car is washed. You must also ensure that the drain beneath the car stays open. To clear blockages from the drain pipe, you might need to use a metal wire or compressed air. Replace cabin air filter. Most manufacturers advise changing the cabin air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles. Consult your car's owner's manual for the recommended maintenance schedule. A new cabin air filter typically only costs $20 to $65. Dealing with foul odors any longer makes no sense at this expense. Use an air conditioning cleaner. Look for a good air conditioner cleaner to use in your vehicle. For a better cleaner, it's usually best to spend a little more. Before using it, read all the instructions. Ozone treatment. Gas ozone generators are used by many auto detailers to eliminate bacteria and odors from cars. To eliminate the odors, a generator can be installed inside the car for a predetermined period of time. Clean vehicle. Cleaning the car is crucial above all else. Cleaning your car should be your first course of action if you detect any offensive odors. Hope the information was helpful for you.